Hey there. So, the Connecticut Raspberry Pi kit. Hey, so the Connecticut Raspberry Pi kit that I got, it comes with three heat sinks. The way to install these three heat sinks: the big one goes on the CPU, the rectangular one goes on the RAM here, and this itty bitty one goes on the memory controller there. And so, to install, just peel off ever so slightly. Just ever. Okay. Ever. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll be back. Now, one thing about these heat sinks, they're probably not going to make much of a difference if you don't install a fan to go along with it. Careful when peeling it off, and just attach it wherever. These components aren't going to get too hot that you actually need the heat sinks. What they're going to do is the heat sinks will provide a little bit of barrier for the CPU and the other two components to not throttle as hard as they would. So it's not going to make it um, perform that much hotter, but it could perform that much hotter for a bit longer. I mean, it's not going to make it perform that much cooler. It's going to make it perform that much hotter for longer. Uh, Pair it with the fan, and you will be good to go for projects like hmm, tensor projects, I guess. See ya. So, yeah, but that's a Thai culture.